Hello again. Today we move to this ArchiMetal case study, the number 26, the figure. So we already practiced three process under this detailed target architecture section. So these are not quite new. So we will keep quick to finish this last process. Call this process customer order process. It looks like this, and as previously we did. First figure will do the purely the business layer mapping, and then figure 27 will do the application cross mapping. So let's do this now. So open our model from here. Since this is the new process breakdown, let's duplicate from default view. Move this here, and for this number 27, we can do this duplication from this 26. So let's do this and set your dates, and then starting to examine the parent process customer order, starting from here, business process customer order. Yes, we have that. Let's prepare the enough space and create a folder to host the sub-process element. Check availability. Create the production process order. After these two, the view ahead is we will finish the detailed enterprise architecture. Then we will approaching to almost the end of this case study modeling. Then use this trigger, log that. Then from here, create production order, create shipping order, update. So you can link them first, then putting them into the needed format. So put that inside the composition, make this a little bigger. And then here is the incoming events, customer order register. So do we have that events? No, so far we don't have these events. Then we create this one. Since we already have quite several business events, let's create a folder to host that instead of putting all of them in the root folder. So that is just my recommended way. You can use your way to do that. So within the events, we have this customer order registered events. Also use the trigger. And then production center. So that is our business unit mapping. So or we can call that is the organization mapping. So we can put that here so that we can save some horizontal space. So you can treat that quick view, can zoom in. So then we are now creating some the information layer. So for the information business object, let's see the inventory data. We don't have production order data, customer order data, shipping order data, distribution data. So we don't have those so far. So all those are the earlier process create information element. So it's better we create another folder to host those. Then if we see there's any duplication, we can examine whether we can reuse. So far, no. Customer order data, no. Customer order update. Do we have these events? Let's double check. Customer order update, we have that. So update customer order, then trigger these events. So these events now we reuse. But when you reuse, it's better you check that customer order update is accept order. So these trigger that. Now we have update customer order trigger that, and this one trigger another business process track customer order. And if you want to know is what's this, so you can see here, all those are the relation for this this element. It's belong to register order, which we did the last time. So then that's this kind of a thing is when you want to validate or analyze something in your model. So let's move this here so we can put those. Let's put that. Then what I want is I want to put all those five the information entity in the same line. So then that will be easier to do the mapping. So first is inventory, production order data, customer, and the distribution data. Then we have the shipping data. So all of them we will use the access this one. So to link, so check availability will access the inventory customer, create a production order will access right into the production order data, and also they will use the read different direction here, and also here is the different direction, so you can control the information flow. So like this, and we have the distribution, shipping. So that pretty is enough for now. So you can zoom in to just have our the final the double check. So like here you are putting those here, then that is the process customer order business process breaking down with the starting the events and the end events, or we can see that is the entry event and the exit events. So the different naming, and we map those with the different information entity, and also the assign by to this production center. So that is overview for figure 26. Thank you for watching. Next one is we will switch to this application cross mapping. Talk to you then.